This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit sangria at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for a perfect batch. You'll need 1 standard bottle of dry red wine, about 750 milliliters, along with 1/4 cup of good quality brandy. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of orange liqueur to add a citrusy depth. We'll also use 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 cup of sparkling water for effervescence. Finally, 2 cups of your favorite fresh, chopped fruits are key. Now, let's prepare our fruit for maximum flavor. Start by washing and chopping about 2 cups of fresh fruits like oranges, apples, and berries into small, manageable pieces. Place these vibrant fruits into a large pitcher. Next, add 1/4 cup of sugar over the fruit. Gently muddle the fruit and sugar together for about 30 seconds to release those wonderful natural juices. Let this mixture sit for at least 30 minutes or even longer to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. With our fruit macerated, it's time to combine the liquids. Carefully pour the entire 750 milliliter bottle of dry red wine into the pitcher with your fruit and sugar mixture. Then, add 1/4 cup of brandy and 2 tablespoons of orange liqueur. Stir everything together very well, ensuring the sugar fully dissolves into the wine. This step is crucial for a balanced taste. Now, cover the pitcher and refrigerate your sangria for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. Chilling allows the flavors to deepen and harmonize. Finally, it's time to serve your delicious homemade sangria. Just before pouring, add 1 cup of chilled sparkling water to the pitcher. Stir gently to combine, being careful not to lose too much of the effervescence. Serve your sangria over ice in individual glasses, making sure each glass gets a generous portion of the fruit. For an extra touch, garnish with a fresh orange slice or a few extra berries. Enjoy this refreshing and flavorful beverage with friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.